Very good morning, everyone. Today's topic is case study on online food delivery system for using an OSI layer model. First, what is the OSI layer model? OSI is the Open System Interconnection Network. Through the layer of this network, how the backend scenario will work through the online processing for smooth connection of the payment, order delivery, and choosing the items of the uh, uh, delivery app like Zomato, Swiggy, so on and so on. The 7 layers of OSA layer, presentation layer, application layer, transport layer, then network layer, and physical layer.
Everyone, now let us see how application layer is connected with an OSI model. We all know that OSI model consists of 7 layers. Now let us see an application layer. We all know that application layer is the topmost layer of an OSI model, which is closest to the user. Let us see how is case study is related with an application layer. In the application layer, first user will select and open the app and then choose the menu first. Then search for the restaurant and they'll choose the food items what they need. Then they'll place the order. The application layer plays a key role. It acts as a bridge between the user and the network. Once it accepts the request and it will pass to all the above layers. So it acts as a bridge between the network and the user. And
what are the protocols used in the application layers?
The protocols are HTTP, FTP,
Can you tell me any abbreviation of protocols? Any one abbreviation?
Data connection and network
abbreviation. So like HTTP. Next layer is the presentation layer over by finish.
The presentation layer is the layer number 6 in the OSI model, which is under the application layer. The presentation layer is responsible for data formatting, compression, and encryption. In our case, the user details like login credentials and payment information are encrypted in the details. Then the images of food items may be compressed. Due to compress, it may be to load faster than the efficiency to load. Then an example, payment data is encrypted using SSL or TLS. SSL means secure socket layer. Then TLS means transport layer security. Then the text and the images are converted into data formatting, then under the standard format. Then the key role is security and the proper data transformation. Then the data will be protected uh, using the encrypted.
Next layer is the session layer over by Narmada. The section layers start from the end users.
The session layers is the fifth layer in ISO model. Session layers are manages sessions or connections between the devices. In our food app, we have to start the sessions using when the users log in the pages, and the remaining entire pages are continued by the counting and payment sessions are remaining sessions. When the session is ended, then the users get login or invalid the session. Key roles. It uses for communications and synchronizations the users and clients. Thank you.
Next layer is the transport layer. The transport layer is fast move on one devices to another devices. It's over to Dashika.
So transport layer is the fourth layer from the bottom and the top of the OSI model. So what is in the transport layer is transporting a message from a sender to the receiver, but it won't like transport from directly. It will separate into parts like segments or packets. Then it transport from the sender to the receiver. And the transport layer it uses TCPI model. In this scenario, it uses TCPI model so that the messages like order confirmation or any other messages in this online platform will be transferred to the receiver, and then the server, and then it process, and then it will send to the receiver.
So in food delivery system, the network layer plays an important role in OSI model. So we all know that we must know the shortest path so that we can deliver the food in a fast way. So the network layer here has the main function to find the best path to travel that is to transfer the data from the source to the destination. So it mainly the main functions were that it uses IP address, and also it breaks the data into packets so that it can be easily transferred. Apart from this, it helps in handling. It mainly handles by the routing method. The main examples of network layer are IP, that is Internet Protocol, and routers.
The next layer is the data link layer. The data link layer intermediate between the physical layer and the network layer. The data link layer, the data will be passed into the frame by frame. That's already we know. It converts and using in the MAC address. For the MAC address using purpose of the data link layer, we deliver into the one devices to another device of the information which will pass into the frames, set of frames.
So the last part of the OS model is physical layer. The physical layer is the lowest part of the OS model. It deals with signals, cables, voltage level, wireless transmission. Example, Ethernet. So like in our case, data is transmitted through electrical signals or radio waves through mobile network, Wi-Fi or fiber cables. Thank you.
The conclusion of this case study using in the OSI model, it is very fast and efficient using in the Wi-Fi or routers or hub and switch devices. In the devices slightly move on the back end process of the end users and applications. Thank you all.
Thank you.